Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a video to address some of the haters. Now, I kind of knew this was coming. You guys are so predictable. But when I posted that video of me putting the Grand Dam door on blindfolded and I edited it down so you didn't have to watch the entire thing, of course, I had the people that accused me of not actually doing the job blindfolded and just editing it to make it look like it did. So here is the footage in its entirety. You can watch it all. Yes, I did the entire job blindfolded. So, sorry haters, I win. All right, said I could do it blindfolded. I did do it once before, so let's see if that was just beginner's luck or if I really do know these Grand Dams that well. We did prep it a little bit, put some duct tape on here just so I don't scratch up the new door because it's the right color and I'm hoping I don't have to paint it. And I also went and got the impact with the right socket because I can't find those things when I can see. So let's do it. There's a rogue wire in here for something. Does have a CD changer in the trunk. Probably what it's for. Tuck that in there so it's out of our way. Door check. Check. Lower hinge. All right. That's the easy part. All right, top one's in. Bottom one's not even close. I think we got the bottom. Maybe. Bolt's a little rusty. Our hinge is a little rusty. Ah, we missed. Missed the bottom. Here I thought I was almost done. Keep missing this bottom one. I think it's because all right, now we got the bottom, do we get the top? I think so. All right. This door check's broken. We'll bolt it in, just to say we did it. Even though we'll take it back out again.
guessed right in that plug.
Well, it's on. It's about where I thought I'd put that. All right, now we gotta change our door lock. We'll change the pillar trim, probably change the glass in the regulator because our other one's in pretty decent shape. Put a mirror on it. We're not doing that blindfolded. That was enough.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.